Spaghetti aglio e olio is probably one of the quickest pasta dishes you can churn up. Made with minimal ingredients, this dish is full of robust flavors and is really easy to make. So let's get started. Begin with boiling 200 grams of spaghetti. Check the spaghetti after 8 minutes. It should be firm, non-sticky and not taste raw. Once you feel the spaghetti is done just right, turn off the heat, strain it, rinse it with cold water and keep aside. Now while the spaghetti strains, let's prepare the other ingredients. Start by finely chopping 5 big cloves or 8 to 10 small cloves of garlic. Finely chop 8 to 10 twigs of fresh parsley. In a pan, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of olive oil and fry the garlic till it turns slightly golden. Now add 1.5 teaspoons of red chilli flakes, 1 teaspoon mixed Italian herbs, half a teaspoon of finely grounded black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. If you're apprehensive about the amount of oil being used, then remember that spaghetti aglio e olio is all about the flavors of the olive oil and garlic coming together to create a dish that is simply wonderful. Also, since olive oil is much healthier than regular cooking oil, it won't affect your health negatively. Now drop in the drained spaghetti and toss it well. Now drop in the parsley and toss it well so that the spaghetti is evenly coated with all the ingredients. And now finally, add 150 grams of Parmesan cheese, you can also use Cheddar, and mix it well. Your spaghetti aglio e olio is now ready to be enjoyed. If you liked a spaghetti aglio e olio recipe, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And stay tuned until next time, till we are back again with another tasty recipe.